Well, I come out in the garage, decided to do a quick video. It's halftime for the Michigan-Nebraska game. What a crazy second quarter. But anyway, a long time ago, I did a muffler delete on the 2021. So I thought I'd do a before and after of it. After I do the before and after, I'll take you up underneath there and I'll show you exactly what they did. I think it was like $90 with tax and everything. So I'll try to set the camera up the same way I did the before video, which I did a while ago. So let's go ahead and set that up. All right, cold start before. Okay, cold start after. Okay, so that was the before and after on a cold start with a muffler delete. I listen to a lot of other people's trucks exhaust and different exhaust systems and everything. I like the muffler delete because it's not crazy loud. Once it warms up, it's not as loud as what the cold start is, and I don't get that droning effect. If you do a little bit, I mean, just a little adjustment of your gas or your RPMs takes care of it. So it was a good compromise for me. So we'll get some lighting underneath here and I'll show you exactly what the muffler shop did. I know a lot of them you can do it yourself and they got clamps and everything. I had them weld this, which they did a really good job. Even though I have a welder here, I'm more of a grinder than a welder. So I had it done and it was like $90 with tax and everything. So anyway, we'll go ahead and take a look underneath it and I'll show you exactly where they cut it back at, so you'll know. And then back to the game. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see it's enough lighting because it's at night. So here's what they cut it right before that, or right after that. This is the front of the truck this way. They cut it right after that, what do you call it, the butterfly valve or baffle, whatever they call it, that little lever that opens and shuts that little valve in there. They went ahead and took that out. And then right here's where your muffler was. And then, as you can see, they welded a new pipe in, which those welds don't look as good as they did when I first got it. I might be able to get this weld job, but it doesn't leak everything. I checked for leaks and everything. But anyway, that's what they did. And I still have my, we'll go in the back here and I'll show you. And I didn't do anything with these screens right here. They're still stock. As you can see on the other side also. You got enough lighting under there. And it's still, I mean, I don't see a need to do it for me personally with the sound I'm getting. I like it. And so I guess that'll adjust your sound a little bit. And also if you put the rounded tips on, as you can see, I still got my HDMI tips, which it's all fine with me. But anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick video and show you guys what it sounds like before and after and exactly what I did. Thanks for watching. And I don't think I'm going to have one more thing this time.